Hello and welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create groups in the mini world CREATA game. To create a group with your friends, you want to go into your friends menu, in here, my group, and then you can create group. Here you can change the name of the group. Confirm, you can choose a avatar for the group, and then you can invite your friends and tap on the invite icon to send an invitation, and last, create group, give the agreement, and then the group should be created, after which you can your friends, in this case it's just another account on this device, but your friends will see it in the way that you'll see soon. To join a group that someone has given you invitation for, you want to go into the menu. It's going to show up here, but let's go to my group. It's still here. You can tap check and then tap on the check mark. The group will show up soon, at least it should. As you can see, it's right here. You can tap on the message icon and you can just send messages to the group. Of course, if you want to leave a group, you can tap on those three dots when you're in the group chat and tap leave, or you can block to block the group, or tap it again to cancel the block. Another thing you can do is check details of the group to see the player list. And if you're the host of the group, you should be able to throw people out of the group. So let's join back to the first account so you can see how to do that. So if you're the host of the group, as we are right now, we can go to the group, tap on the group chat, and then you can dismiss the chat. You can go into details, or you should be able to tap on detail, then tap on the player you want to throw out of the group, and you can tap kick out of group. You can transfer them to I don't know what it does actually. It doesn't seem to do anything, at least in this case. You can ban them from chatting, which we are the host, so I don't know why it doesn't allow us to do that. Let's check access. No. We are the host, so I don't know why it doesn't allow us to do that. It might just not work, but you can check the information of the users in here. You can kick them out of the group, or at least you should be able to, but apparently because of some error we can't. You can always dismiss a group. As you can see, stop, dismiss, and then dismiss again. But again, for some reason it doesn't allow us to do this. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.